Hey folks, today is March the 16th. It's currently about 10:24. Decided to go ahead and see if we can get at least one TR profit system trade in today. As you can see here, we got all greens here, but we're not above the zero line. Same problem here. And it looks like we are above the zero line here. We got all twos, all greens, green bars. What we're waiting on right now is another green arrow. There were several opportunities to jump in on this one, at least two, I believe. All right, let's see what's going on here. All greens above zero, got a green bar, small red one underneath it, got a green arrow. White line is above the purple, and we need the blue line to be above yellow, and it is. Only issue I have here is things look like they're starting to go sideways, and that's not something I want to be a part of. All right. So looks like I'm just gonna wait. Hopefully we'll get the TRB indicator here above the zero line on the GBP USD. So these are the two I'm going to continue watching, AUD USD and GBP USD. I'll go ahead and pause it, and if we get an opportunity in one of these, I'll come back and we'll look at taking a trade. Hey folks, just another quick update here. GBP USD, as you can see, we're still all green with all twos. Have the green bar, got a green arrow here. White line is above the purple. Blue line is slightly above yellow. We need another nice up bar here, I believe, to get this purple line above the zero. Let's check on AUD USD. Still not quite above the zero line yet. Euro USD looks actually pretty good for a short. Got a red arrow here. White line is beneath the purple. Blue line is beneath the yellow. Red bar under the zero line. All red and not all twos, but we only have one here. Let's see here. All right, so about 30 seconds to go. I'm really hoping that these bars will close as up bars so we can hopefully get above this zero line here. I'd rather take this trade because there are no levels except for up here, which is 26 pips away. Whereas right here we have a level right beneath us that could potentially be a support. So I definitely would prefer to take one of these two trades. But we'll see what the market gives us here. That's a bit of a bummer. As you guys can see, we got a red arrow. This is kind of trying to get above zero, but not there yet. Let's check on the Euro USD. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to go ahead and take this. Hopefully we'll have enough push to get through this level here. And I am buying or selling basically directly on this level that could potentially be support. So this is a bit of a dangerous play because we have no idea if the market's going to be able to break this level or not. It's 10:46. We're nowhere near our 11:30 mark yet. I usually don't like trading between 11:30 and 12:30, so still looking good here as far as time goes. All twos, so that's telling us that the market should be pushing down further. Still below zero. So obviously that is a good thing. Everything's telling us that we should be going short. Ideally, let me see here. We got the arrow here. So in this bar, we could have entered. Ideally, we would have wanted to enter on this bar right here. As you can see, the blue line crossed there. White was under purple. We were red here, below zero here, but didn't have the opportunity to do that. That would have gotten us in about 7 pips higher. And actually, our stop would have been 7 pips, and our take profit would have been close to getting hit here. So that would have been the ideal spot to enter on that trade, but wasn't watching it at that time. Let's see what else is going on here. Still waiting on this to get above zero. Need that purple line to get up there. Got a signal here to go long, but obviously we don't know if the market's going to be able to get past that level, so didn't take that. And as I stated earlier, ideally I'd love to take a long trade in either the pound dollar or the AUD USD. But we'll settle for this for right now. Hopefully the market will give us a nice push down to break this level. And if it does, that's a good sign that it'll continue pushing down here. All right, let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you guys once something happens. Hey folks, just another quick update. I was going over my notes that I was taking while I was going through the program, and noticed a few of them. It says don't trade around news, stop trading 10 minutes before news, start again 30 minutes after news. Don't trade in sideways action. Even though we had a little bit of sideways action here, we still had, these moves as well. So that's why I didn't really pay too much attention to that. Just wanted to make note of that so you guys can see why, or have a better understanding of why I took this trade, even though we've been in this little range here. Something else they also mentioned is not to trade in anything under an 80 pip range. And as you can see down here, chart range is 54. So that's definitely something I could have taken into account with this trade. Whereas back here, you can see the range is 105. We have much bigger moves. And that's ideally where we want to be trading. So when you get started, you'll definitely want to take that into account with your trading. It's just something that I happen to have forgotten before I took this trade. But all right, that's just a quick update on what's going on here. I'll continue to keep you guys informed. And we'll see what happens. All right, be back with you guys momentarily. Hey folks, just another quick update. You can see the market has gone sideways a bit, and it's finally come back down to our break-even level here. And we're just trying to get through this level again. Wasn't able to do it here. And so we're seeing if we can do it here. And I would love to get my stop down to this level. As you can see, this is going to be potentially a level of resistance. So I definitely like to get my stop down to this level once the market pushes into profit a bit more. All right, so we'll continue watching it and see what happens. Hopefully we'll be able to get a nice push down, but if not, we'll just continue watching to see what happens. Be back with you guys momentarily. Hey folks, just another quick update. As you can see, we had two pushes down, but we weren't able to pass it, and we just got taken out. I believe this is trade number 9 and our first loss with the TR profit system. Obviously, any system out there is going to take losers, so I'm not bothered by this at all. It was to be expected. And let's go ahead and let me see here what else might be popping up. This is about to cross under 0. So this might be good for a short once it does. And we also have some news today at 2 o'clock. So I definitely don't want to look at taking anything right now. And I actually believe it's some pretty important news. So we're going to go ahead and end this video there. If you guys want more information on the TR profit system, definitely click the link below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. And again, this was trade number 9, and we have taken our first loss with the TR profit system today. All right, guys, take care and have a great day.